boys and girls, and welcome to Go Guitar. This one will be a short one from Jay Wheeler called Duele. So we don't need to go over any chords like that or so. We just have this melody going on from the beginning till the very end. We're gonna use a capo. That's the best scenario for us, set on the 2nd fret. So let's start right away here with the notes. So we have two different halves, so to speak, and that goes round and round through the entire song. Let's start with the open E string and open G. Then you play the 3rd A and open E string, the high E. And then 3rd E, the bass, together with 3rd B. And then you have these notes. And that is on the G string, you're gonna play 2nd G. And then you snap off there, pull off to get the open G. So that's the first half of it. Then you start again with open E string in the bass together with open G. Then you go to 3rd A together with 1st B. And then you end in the same way with 3rd E in the bass and together with 3rd B. And that's the end of second half. It goes like that from beginning till the very end, like this. Alright, so try to get the notes to ring out as much as possible since you don't work a lot to give some new sound to your guitar. So just try to really let the notes ring out and you have some good music vibrating there. So thank you guys for listening here. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.